Hello everyone, and you're on the Crypto Sellers channel. In this video guide I show you how to set up Ethereum testnet RPC node and how to connect it to the Axelar network. To do it, we should proceed to the Axelar documentation, which you can find from the axelar.network. Go to the developers and proceed to the docs. Inside the docs we should open validators, support external chains and choose Ethereum. Our server should be with following requirements. It is 2 CPU core, 4 GB of RAM and 600 GB of free storage space. I already set up my clear Ubuntu server. I got it from the Hessner. And first of all, you should update and upgrade your server. Just type the following commands. Now my Linux server is updated and upgraded, and I can proceed to the official guide. The first step is enable Launchpad repository. Just copy and pass it to the terminal. The next step, I need again update the server. I will do it just in case. And install Ethereum node. Choose Y, enter. The next stage is install a consensus layer. Okay, let's continue. Let's create new folders. Inside the guide is written that we need generate a secret key from authentication. To do it, we need to scroll a little bit down and found this link. Open this link on the new tab and generate new key. This key we need it. And after that, we should create the new file which will be named GVT secret. The name of this GVT secret we can copy from here. Go to the terminal and type nano and open new file. Here you should insert this key which we generated. Copy and paste it. To save it, just type Ctrl+X and Y. Enter. Now inside the directory Prism we can see the new GVT secret file. On the next step we should start the local Prism beacon chain. To do this I recommend you to use a screen, and inside the screen you should copy and paste this command, but here you should change patch to file. This patch to file, it is your direction to your new file which you created before. Okay, let's do it. Let's go out from the Prism and we need to create a new screen. Inside this screen, we need to copy and paste this command, but do not launch it. We should change the location of our file. So this is not correct location. My correct location is root, prism, and give it a secret. Let's start this command. Okay, so here something dislike. Yeah, first of all, we should go to the cd prism, to the folder, and from this folder launch this file. Now it's work. Here I should type accept. And from this moment I can see that we start syncing our beacon, and the synchronization process you can see from here. Here as you can see 3/402447, and it's little bit increasing. When you will see the numbers are equal, so this means that our beacon is synchronization. To go out from the screen, just type the following command. It will be Ctrl+A+D. And if you like to check your logs inside the screen, just type the following command. Screen rx prism. And you can see how your process and synchronization is going. Okay, let's go out from here and proceed to the guide. So with step 3 we finish it. The next step is run get through the systemd file. What is important here? Please read this notice that if you would like to run Ethereum testnet node on the Ropsten network, you should add additional flag Ropsten. For this reason, I recommend you copy all this command and open Notepad and little bit correct it. So what we need to correct is located on this line. So let's add flag Ropsten. And we need change this location. It will be root prism. Okay, right now I think it's correct. Copy all this file and insert the terminal. Press enter. Enable and start get servers. Enter. Let's check the status of get server. Looks like it's running. And let's check the logs. We need to wait around 5 minutes and we can see how the logs will be running. When you will see something like this in your terminal, this means that your Ethereum testnet Ropsten network starts syncing. From this moment you need to wait around 5 or 6 hours for complete synchronization. Okay, let's come back on the guide and see what is going on here. So to check that your node is fully synced, I mean your Ethereum node, you need to copy and paste all of this line. Insert them inside the terminal. And currently my node is not syncing, so I see this output. But if your node will be synced, you should see false inside the terminal. So for this moment we need to wait some hours after full synchronization of our node. Alright, after 1 day my Ethereum testnet RPC node was fully synchronized. If I will open my logs, I should see something like this. This means that my Ethereum is synchronized, but to be sure I should input a command which is inside the guide. We need copy and paste these lines and insert inside our terminal. As a result, I've got false. This output means that my Ethereum not fully synchronized. From now, I can proceed to my Axelar Network node and connect this Ethereum testnet node to them. To do this, you can proceed to the support external chains and open overview. Inside the overview, you can find the following steps what we should to do. So inside the Axelar Network node, we should open config.toml file. In this config.toml file, we should find these lines and we should change it. And here is the example how it should be finally. So for the moment, we are interested only about this one. And we should put our IP address with the port inside these quotation marks. Okay, let's proceed. First of all, I should get my IP address, so it will be something like this. So here is the example. Let's copy example and input to the terminal, but we need to change it. So my IP address will be output. I will leave it like this, and right now I should proceed to my Axelar testnet network node and open config.toml file. So I should type nana and proceed the following location. Right now I am inside my config.toml file and we need to scroll down. You should scroll down until these lines. So here you can see the same output like in the manual, and we need to change our Ethereum configuration. So this RPC address, we need to change it and put inside our IP with the correct port. So I just will copy this line and it should be something like this, and false we need to change to the true. Okay, let's save it. It will be Ctrl+X+Y, enter. And right now we need to restart Tofund and while system service. Now let's check that our vault file service is working correctly. Inside these logs, we should see that our llvm Ethereum bridge is successfully connected. In case if llvm bridge will not successfully connected, you will see here a lot of errors. Okay, let's go out, and finally we should register our Ethereum RPC node. For registration, we can go again for the overview, scroll down and find necessary command line. So we need this one. In my terminal it will be looks like this, and I should input my password and register it. This output means that my Ethereum RPC node was successfully registered. Now you can go to the Axelar scan and check that your Ethereum RPC node was connected successful. So here is active set, and inside the active set you can see the llvm supported, and if you see Ethereum label, this means that your node is successfully connected. But this label will not appear immediately, and it should appear about 30 minutes after registration. Right now you know how to connect your Ethereum RPC node. Thank you for watching and goodbye.